What's up, guys? Whoa, lighting. Whoa, there we go. What's up, guys? Super quick project today. This is Will's step stool in the bathroom. It doesn't fit. It's just a little too big. Yeah, this drives me nuts. It has to get fixed. One quick thing I have to do before. I'm like super addicted to this game. You guys ever play Bullseye Ball? So the step is 1 foot by 1 foot. The actual steps themselves are 6 inches. I'm gonna keep this super easy. I got some old 2x12s in the garage from my workbench, so that's what I'm gonna build it out of. There's the top. There's the sides. All right, so I've traced out where I want my cuts to be. My plan was to do it with a circular saw or a jigsaw, but I think I can fit this on my little chop saw and it'll make it a lot easier for cutting out. Then once it's cut out, I'll get it across, put it on my other 2x12, trace that template out, and I'm sorry. that was so confusing. I'm gonna cut it out. It's really tough to cut out that inside piece on the chop saw, so I'm gonna do it with my jigsaw. I'll put a nice blade on, cut that out, give everything a sand. Should I paint it? Maybe I'll paint the sides white. I don't know, we'll see. See when I get there. Maybe I will. I'm just grabbing everything I need and I'm heading to the basement to paint because it's really cold out here and the paint will take forever to dry. So I'm gonna grab everything and head downstairs. And I hate making 2 trips, so I'm trying to carry it all at once while filming. When I was a kid and I used to help my mom carrying the groceries, I always did it in one shot because I couldn't stand coming back out for a second load. There we go. How's that? How's that? Good. I need a workbench. Okay, I'm done painting and staining. I hate waiting for things to dry. So I got my heat gun to speed up the process. And then I'm gonna screw everything together. I usually hide this part. It's behind the scenes. But today you're getting to see it all. Dry, baby, dry! Don't screw up this part, Adam! That's really, really cool. Look at that little stool. That's nice. That's so easy. It was such an easy little project. Guess what I did today?
What?
I built you something.
What?
You'll see when you get home.
Okay.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Take a guess. What do you think I built for you?
A sandwich.
A sandwich! Go look in the bathroom.
It's a stool.
Check it out. I made it today.
So cool. It's made out of wood.
That's right, I made it out of wood. How does it work?
Great!
How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, I can barely see the window.
You can barely see the mirror.
Yeah.
Well, it looks pretty good.
Hello. Daddy, you're the best because I like you.
Oh, thanks, buddy.